Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to do electrophoresis for protein. Today we are going to do electrophoresis for separation of protein. I just bought the serum sample from lab. Steps of electrophoresis are making of buffer, then agarose gel making, preparation, and then loading of the agarose gel and a serum sample on the slide. And after that we will keep slides in the chamber and we will start the power supply. After 1 hour of power supply we will take out the slide and keep it for fixation. For fixation we are using acetone, 90% acetone, and then after we gonna do the staining and then destaining. After that we can see bands clearly. We have taken the sodium barbiturate 5.2 and diethyl barbituric acid we have taken 9.92 gram. We have added diethyl barbituric acid in hot water, 200 ml hot water. Now we are adding barbitone, sodium barbitone. Mix it well. First we have taken 200 ml of distilled water. In that we have added diethyl barbiturate and sodium barbitone. To make it 500 we have added extra 300 ml, and now it is 500 ml buffer we have made, and we have checked the pH. It comes green. It indicates 8.6 pH. We are adding agarose gel in 11 ml buffer. Mix it well and then heat it until it becomes transparent. This is how it becomes transparent. Now we are loading the gel on slide. Maximum 3 ml should be loaded on the slide. For applying sample, we took strip of watmann filter paper and dip into the serum, and that strip is kept on the agarose gel on 3/4 of the slide. Now we are preparing chamber by adding buffer. We kept wicks on both sides of the slide deep into the buffer, which provide connection between the slide and buffer. After closing lid, we started power supply. We kept current constant, that is 21 milliampere. We kept it for 1.5 hours. After that, we take out slides and kept it for fixation in ethanol. After 10 minutes of fixation, we kept slides for staining, and then destaining is done. This is how bands are formed.